Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn English about transportation in a big city. We will follow two friends, Maya and Leo. They are visiting London for the first time. They will try different ways to travel around the city. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning, Leo. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Maya. Yes, I slept very well. I am so excited for today.
Me too. We have so many places to visit. But first, we need to think about how to travel.
You are right. London is a very big city. How do people travel here?
Well, there are many ways. You can take the underground, the bus, or a taxi.
The underground? What is that?
The underground is like a subway. It is a train that travels under the ground.
Oh, interesting. I have never been on an underground train before.
It is very fast and easy, and it goes to almost every part of London.
That sounds perfect. Let's start with the underground.
Great idea. The nearest station is just down the road. Let's go.
Great idea. The nearest station is just down the road. Let's go.
Wow, look at this station. It is very busy.
Yes, London's underground is one of the oldest in the world. Many people use it every day.
How do we get on the train?
First, we need to buy a ticket or use a travel card. Travel card.
What is a travel card?
A travel card lets you travel on buses and trains all day. You just touch it on the reader when you enter and exit.
Oh, that is very convenient. Convenient. It means easy and useful, right?
Exactly. Now let's look at the map. We need to find the right line.
There are so many colored lines on this map. It looks a little confusing.
Don't worry. Each color is a different line. We want the blue line today. That is the Victoria line.
The Victoria line. Okay, I see it. It is bright blue.
That's right. Our train goes southbound. That means going south.
Southbound. So if I want to go north, I take the northbound train.
Perfect. You are learning fast. Come on, the train is coming.
I can hear it. Let's go.
Wow, this train is very smooth.
Yes, and look, it is already very crowded. This is normal in the morning.
Everyone is so quiet. They're looking at their phones or reading.
That is the London way. People are usually quiet on the underground.
I see. So I should not talk too loudly.
It is better to speak softly, yes, softly. That means quietly.
Got it. I will speak softly. How many stops until we get off?
3 stops. Then we change to another line.
We need to change trains?
Yes, this is called a connection or a transfer. We get off this train and take another one.
Okay, that does not sound too difficult.
It is easy once you know the stations. Listen, the train will announce each stop. The next station is Oxford Circus. Please mind the gap.
Mind the gap? What does that mean?
Mind the gap means be careful of the space between the train and the platform. It is a famous London phrase.
I love that. Mind the gap. I will remember that.
Mind the gap. I will remember that. Okay, we are finished with the underground for now. Let's try the bus next.
The bus. Yes, I will love to see the city from a window.
That is the best thing about the bus. You can see everything. The streets, the buildings, the parks.
Oh, look. Is that a double-decker bus? It has 2 floors.
Yes, the red double-decker bus is very famous in London. Double-decker. It has a top floor and a bottom floor.
Can we sit on the top floor?
Of course.
The top floor gives you the best view of the city.
Amazing. How do we know which bus to take?
Every bus has a number and a route. The route tells you where the bus goes.
I see the sign here. Bus number 15. Where does it go?
It goes along the river and past many famous landmarks. It is a great bus for sightseeing.
Sightseeing. Sightseeing means visiting famous and beautiful places, right?
That's right. And here comes the bus now.
Oh, wonderful. Let's get on from the front door.
Yes, touch your travel card on the reader when you get on.
Like this?
Perfect. Now let's run upstairs and get the best seats.
Yes, let's go. I am so excited.
What a wonderful bus ride. Did you enjoy it?
I loved it so much. The view from the top was incredible. But now my feet are a little tired.
Let's take a taxi back to the hotel then. It will be comfortable.
Good idea. But how do we find a taxi?
In London, we look for a black cab. Black cabs are the famous London taxis. Just raise your hand when you see one coming.
Like this? Oh, one is stopping already.
Perfect. Let's get in.
Hello, can you take us to Victoria Station, please? Of course. Hop in. Victoria Station. Coming right up. Thank you. How long will it take? About 15 minutes, maybe a little longer if the traffic is heavy. Traffic means all the cars on the road, right? That's right, and London traffic can be quite busy in the afternoon.
That is true, but at least we are comfortable inside.
Yes, this is very comfortable. I like the taxi. London cabs are famous all over the world, just like your big red buses. Yes, today we tried the underground, the bus, and now a taxi. We tried everything. You are good tourists. Here we are, Victoria Station. Oh, that was fast. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. We will. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well done, everyone. Today, Maya and Leo taught us so many useful words. Let's review. Underground, a train under the ground. Travel card, a card for using buses and trains. Southbound, going south. Mind the gap, be careful of the space. Double-decker, a bus with 2 floors. Route, the path a bus or train follows. Traffic, all the cars and vehicles on the road. Great work today. Please subscribe to Simple English Family for more easy English stories. See you next time. Goodbye.